Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So we're continuing on with our video series the قدم به قدم با الفبای فارسی. And today we're going to be looking at the long oo sound. So this is oo. Oo. So oo sounds like the oo in moon. And it comes in two forms. This form right here, where it's only at the beginning of the sentence or if it's by itself. And then this one here, this oo usually comes in the middle or end of the word. So let's take a look at some examples. So here we have nur, nur, which means light. How about this one? Dost, dost, which means friend, and tut, tut, which means mulberry. So let's try to read some of these sentences together. Remember, try to use the Finglish to help you out. Man tut daram. Man tut daram. Man tut daram. I have mulberries. Sara tut دارد. سارا توت دارد. سارا توت دارد. Sara has mulberries. This is when it comes at the beginning of the sentence. او با من دوست است. او با من دوست است. او با من دوست است. She is friends with me. And lastly, من او را دوست دارم. من او را دوست دارم. من او را دوست دارم. I like her. So this is pretty much it for the oo sound. So again, this is not really a letter of the Farsi alphabet. This is more of a sound. It's an oo sound, and you'll see it mainly like this in between the words or by itself, and it just makes that oo sound. But that's pretty much it for this lesson. So make sure to keep watching our previous videos, and if you haven't done so, be sure to like and subscribe our videos, and we'll keep making more videos like this. Anyways, good luck studying, and see you in the next video.